Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use 3 particular soaps to clear your acne and pimples and even dark spots from your skin. So if you have been using various products on your pimples and your dark spots and still you are not seeing good results, trying out bath soaps can be a very good idea. For me personally, soaps are a good choice when it comes to helping with acne, clearing it up, and also dark spots on the skin. These soaps I'm going to talk about will help you both on your face acne and dark spots and your body dark spots and acne. Like if you have acne on your back, acne on your chest, or some dark spots around your skin, not scars please, just dark spots that are meant to leave your skin. These bath soaps are going to work effectively. So the bath soaps I'm going to be talking about in this video is Nano Extra White Soap, Kojie San soap, and Dove bath soap. And how you are going to use this soap is what is very important. For Kojie San soap, people actually have like negative feedback about it because of how they use it. This soap is a lightening soap that actually helps to clear spots from the skin. But the reason why this soap will give you dark spots or even aggravate acne on your skin is because you have an overly sensitive skin and you are probably using this soap every single day, morning and evening, and probably again you are leaving it on your skin for too long. There are actually ways to use a product, no matter how it seems bad, there are actually ways you can use that same product and get good results. And that is how we're going to use Kojie San soap for this video. So first, the reason why we'll need the Dove bath soap, this is the soap you are going to be using every single day that you are not using either the Nano Extra White soap or the Kojie San soap. So that aside, how you're going to also use this Kojie San soap is to use it 3 times in a week, preferably at night. 3 times in a week, preferably at night, on your face, on your body, wherever it is you have acne or pimples and dark spots. You have to use this soap on your body thoroughly and make sure it's just 3 times in a week. And again, when you want to use this soap, do not apply it directly on your pimples or your area where you want to treat. First, bring out the soap and lather it in your palm. Then put the foam or the lather of the soap on your face. So let's just specifically say face is what we're trying to clear the pimples and the dark spots. So you apply it on your face. So leave it on your face for like 30 seconds and then wash it off. But now, I don't know how sensitive your face might be. Your face might not even take up to 30 seconds before it starts giving you like itching or burning signs. So if before that 30 seconds you begin to observe, like way before you start observing that, oh, my face wants to start tingling me or itching me or burning me, any of those feelings, you quickly rinse off the soap from your face. Don't leave it on for too long or leave it on until you start getting the burning sensation that this soap will do to your skin, and use it just 3 times in a week, preferably at night time. This soap is going to help you with your dark spots and is going to lighten up your hyperpigmentation and help you a lot without your dark spots. So you can use these 3 soaps. They are not even that expensive. You can actually use these 3 soaps to actually clear all your dark spots and pimples. That's if you follow the procedure or follow the way I'm explaining it. So now when you're using this 3 times in a week, you are using this in the morning, because this is a soap you can use morning and evening, and this one you use it only in the evening for 3 days. In the morning, where you will not be using the Dove soap, you'll be using the Nano Extra White soap, and this one is safe to use every day. If you don't want to use the Dove bath soap, you can exchange it with the Nano Extra White soap. So it means that you are going to be interchanging the Nano Extra White soap with the Dove bath soap however you like. But you will be using the Nano Extra White soap more than the Dove bath soap because this Nano Extra White soap clears pimples. Now, on days where you will be using the Kojie San soap at night, the morning of it, you'll be using the Dove bath soap. Now, let me leave it at that so that you can use the Dove bath soap 3 times in a week on the morning where you'll be using the Kojie San soap, while the Nano Extra White soap is what you will use 4 times in a week, morning and evening. So it means that you are using this 4 times morning and evening. You are using this 3 times in a week only at night, And on the day where you'll be using this at night, in the morning of that day, you are using Dove bar soap. This is actually very important. Even if it seems too much or seems too excessive, it is very important because these soaps are going to play a great role in helping to clear your dark spots and help with your acne. This one is going to help effectively with your dark spots, so that's not even something to worry about if your face is looking dark. And this one is going to help with your acne. So if you actually know how to use these 3 soaps together, just the way I've explained it, you are going to see a remarkable difference on your face. And please, you have to also note that there are lots of fake of the Kojie San soap in the market, and the best way to know which is the fake and the original is not really by the packaging, because the packaging now, the people that produce fake know how to package it even better than the original. The Kojie San bar soap doesn't break while using it. There are some soaps that when you start using it, before it gets finished, it will break into 2. The Kojie San doesn't break easily like that, so it won't break. So it's going to reduce in size until it becomes like very tiny stuff without breaking. So that shows the originality of the Kojie San soap. That's one way to know. So the Nano Extra White soap itself has fake in the market, and the best way to know the original one is how it smells like. If it smells like papaya and carrot, good to go. The one that is not original actually doesn't smell like papaya and carrot. So when it doesn't smell like that, you know this is fake. And it lathers so well. When you lather it on your hand, you are going to see it has the orange color of the soap in your palm. So that's the way to know which is the fake and the original. And for the Dove bar soap, I highly recommend this white one for sensitive skin, because for me, I even use the pink one, and that is quite sensitive on my skin, so I highly recommend this particular one. This one is good for all skin types, and you are not going to get any burning sensation from it. Another way to also use the Kojie San soap with the Dove bar soap is to first cleanse your skin with the Dove bar soap before applying this Kojie San soap. What I mean is, you are going to be double cleansing your skin. First, you will use the Dove to cleanse your skin, which is at night. You are not doing you are not using this Kojie San for any reason in the morning, so it's still at night. So when you use the Dove beauty bar to wash your skin on that same day where you have already used it in the morning, you can use it at night first to cleanse your skin before you use the Dove, before you use this Kojie San soap. So still ensure you apply it on your hand. You lather it on your hand first before you apply it on your face. So that's another way you can double cleanse your face with the Kojie San soap, and you're not going to get any results with having too much sensitivity or burning on your skin. So the Dove bar soap is another soap that is going to help with the pH balance of your skin before the Kojie San soap. So this is another method. So if you actually use it this way, you're going to get a good result. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified first anytime I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video.